Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I share how to make Ofe Oha but with powdered ede, which is cocoyam flour. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. I want to start with seasoning and cooking my meat. When seasoning meat for soups, especially Ofe Oha and Ofe Onugbu, I keep it very simple. I only season with pepper, seasoning cubes, and some salt. So this is my preference. Feel free to add whatever you want to add to it, but this is how I do mine. So I've just added those and I'm adding enough water to cook the beef. So while this is cooking nicely, I'll proceed to prepare the rest of my ingredients. This is Oha leaf and this is what we use to prepare Ofe Oha. If you're not familiar with the leaf, then this is what it looks like. This is fresh Oha leaf. You can tell from the video that it's still looking very fresh and green. So if you want to make Oha soup, go for the fresh, green and soft Oha leaves. So I'll proceed to take out the leaves from the stalk. The process of taking out the Oha leaves from the stalk is very simple. What you have to do is this: run your hands through the stalk and the leaves comes up very easy. I'm done taking out the leaves. The next step is to shred the Oha leaves, and I do this using the tips of my finger. You don't have to use a knife to cut the Oha leaf because Oha leaf is one soft vegetable and knife marks can make it dark. We don't want it dark now, do we? We want it to maintain its brilliant green color as shown in the video. So after shredding the Oha leaf, I'll proceed to wash it thoroughly off camera. This is uziza leaf. I love adding uziza whenever I'm making Ofe Oha. I feel like it complements the Ofe Oha. You can either go for uziza leaf, which is what I'm using in today's recipe, or the seed, or you can add both the leaf and the seed. The next ingredient I have here is crayfish. I use a lot of crayfish for my soups. I can't make any soup without adding crayfish, but this comes with a lot of dirt. But I already picked out every unwanted particle offline, so I'll proceed to blend this into a smooth powder. This is ogiri, fermented locust bean. It's a local spice that has a very unique flavor and aroma to Ofe Oha. It has this overbearing smell, but we still love it regardless. This is one must add to your Ofe Oha. It will elevate the taste from 1 to 100. Let's check on the beef. It's about 80% cooked at this time, and I want to add the rest of my proteins. I've just added my washed stockfish. I'm adding calf skin, aka pomo or kanda, and this is my deboned dry fish. I'll give this a good stir, add more water, cover, and I'll continue to cook. Kindly check the description box below for the list of ingredients and also for more information on the recipe. The beef is properly cooked and time to accept the rest of my ingredients. I've gone in with my roughly blended scotch bonnet pepper. I've added my grounded crayfish. I'm adding my ogiri. I'll also add a little bit of palm oil. Give that a good stir. Cover and I'll allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. You are the right place. On here, I post lots of delicious food recipes. I'm sure you enjoy trying out the recipes. You're already here. Please don't leave without hitting on the subscribe button. While at it, turn on post notifications to be notified of new videos. Thank you. Moving on, it's time to prepare the ede, which is cocoyam. This will serve as thickener for our Ofe Oha. As you already know, we are making the soup with cocoyam flour, which is ede in powdered form. I'll proceed to measure out about 2 cups of ede into my mixing bowl, add some water and mix to form a paste. I recommend you mix this instead of adding the powder directly into your pot of soup because there's a high possibility you might end up with a lumpy pot of soup if you add the powder directly without having to mix and form a paste. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much for staying with me. I truly appreciate and it shows you're enjoying the recipe. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section. Have you tried using powdered ede? What was your experience like? Share with us down in the comments. The heat from my pot of soup was so much that it blurred my camera. I'm so sorry about that. I'm simply adding the ede into my pot of soup. I know you can't see this clearly, but you could tell that the paste is a bit runny. I kept adding water and mixing off camera until I achieved a very light consistency. I've added that into my pot. I'll give it a very good stir, cover the pot and continue to cook. After about 4 minutes of cooking, I went back to check on it, and this is what we have. You can tell from the video that it's very thick. I think these 2 cups of ede is too much. I don't even know the amount of ede that I was able to make up these 2 cups of powdered ede. I added more water to help loosen up the soup, tasted off camera, and I added more seasoning. I went in with seasoning cubes and some salt, gave that a gentle stir, covered, and I continued to cook. For short videos, kindly check out my YouTube Shorts, Facebook and Instagram Reels, and my TikTok videos. I have lots of food recipes that are a minute long or less on these platforms. The name to search for is Oge Anyoko on all platforms. Search for Oge Anyoko, follow me, turn on post notification, watch my videos, like, and leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you. The soup is almost ready except for my vegetables. I'll go in first with my uziza leaf, stir gently, cover, let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and then I'll come back and add my oha leaves. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that have stayed with me and watched up to this point. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And to my amazing and returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments. You guys are truly, truly amazing. Thank you so much. Our delicious pot of oha soup is ready, and this is what we have. Is this something you want to try out? Let us know down in the comment section. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video, share, and leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you for stopping by. I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.